Why does getting out of bed suddenly feel like a massive chore, man? Seriously, if you're over 60, you might be waking up feeling like an absolute rusty hinge. You sit there on the edge of the bed and wonder, is this it? Am I just gonna lose my independence and be stuck on the sidelines while everyone else is out living their best life? Look, the fear of not being able to keep up, or worse, taking a bad spill, is incredibly real. But what if I told you there's a hidden secret, a totally under-the-radar routine that can bulletproof your body and literally fix almost every mobility and muscle problem you're dealing with? Stick with me in this explainer, because I'm gonna reveal 5 secret isometric holds that are going to completely change the game for you. I'm keeping the exact moves under wraps for just a second to build some suspense, but I promise you the payoff at the end of this explainer is gonna blow your mind. So why exactly is your body stiffening up like a rusty hinge after 60? Let's tap into that frustration for a second. Talking about that nagging lower back pain that just will not quit, those hips that feel completely locked up in a vault, and that deep down gut-wrenching fear that you won't be able to get down on the floor to play with your grandkids, and hey, more importantly, the fear of not being able to get back up without wincing. It's rough, right? It feels like your own body is just betraying you. But here is the massive ray of hope. 95% of your mobility and muscle problems can be fixed with a simple, hidden daily routine. Yeah, you heard me right, 95%. You absolutely don't need to hit the gym for hours or crush some grueling, heavy lifting workout that just wrecks your joints. Anyway, you can literally bulletproof your body and feel younger, stronger, and way more muscular without breaking a crazy sweat. I'm deliberately holding back the exact 5 moves for just a minute, because you really need to understand the why before the how, but trust me, you're gonna wanna stick around to the very end of this explainer to get the full routine. The crucial piece of the puzzle is figuring out exactly how we got here in the first place. Our modern lifestyle versus our natural resting position. We spent decades, literally years of our lives parked in chairs, sitting at desks, kicking back on couches. And what does all that do? It chronically shortens your muscles and absolutely destroys your natural mobility. See, your body was actually designed to rest in deep, active positions, not slumped over a recliner. When you don't use those full natural ranges of motion, your joints get stiff and your lower back ends up taking all the heavy stress. It's time to undo that damage, man. Okay, let's dive into this. Hold no. 1. Unlocking your lower body. This is the deep squat hold. We are starting right from the ground up to fix those brutally tight hips and stiff ankles. Here's how it works. Step 1. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Step 2. Lower yourself into a deep squat, dropping those hips below the knees if your mobility allows it. Step 3. Keep your chest upright and hold that position for 20 to 60 seconds. Physical therapists absolutely swear by this one. By just holding this position, you're literally lubricating your ankle and hip joints, stretching out those chronically shortened muscles, and reminding your body how to move the exact way it was built to. Now listen. If you've never done this, it's not a walk in the park. It is perfectly fine. In fact, it's a totally smart move to grab onto a sturdy countertop or a door frame. When you're first starting out, use that support until you build up your baseline stability. Moving right along. Hole no. 2. Multi-directional hip rotation. We're going deep into the hip joints now to get back those ranges of motion that you've probably completely lost over the years. This is called the 90-90 hip hold. You start by sitting on the floor, one leg right in front of you bent at a 90 and one leg behind you also bent at 90 degrees. Sit up nice and tall and just hold it right for there for 30 to 60 seconds per side. This move targets both internal and external rotation at the exact same time, which is totally clutch for relieving stress on your lower back. Now, if sitting up straight in this position feels downright impossible, right now, don't sweat it. Elevating yourself by sitting on a yoga or a folded towel is an awesome modification. It makes it way easier to get into the sweet spot, so you can start restoring those natural movement without wrecking your spine. Up next, hold no. 3. Bulletproofing your deep core. If we want to stop your lower back from compensating and aching all day long, we need a complete stability challenge. This is the bird dog hold. You start on all fours, and then you simultaneously extend your opposite arm and opposite leg straight out. The absolute golden rule here: keep your hips totally square to the ground. Hold that for 20 to 60 seconds per side. I want you to visualize something for me right now. Imagine you are balancing a full cup of water right on your lower back, and you cannot spill a single drop. That means no twisting, no rotating whatsoever. You gotta squeeze the glute on that extended leg side to stay locked in this simple hold. Teaches your body to stabilize the spine while your limbs are moving independently, which is exactly what you need for walking, reaching, and just living life pain-free. And hey, just as a quick side note here, if you're the kind of guy who thrives on a structured, day-by-day path to moving pain-free, The creator of these holds actually put together a 30-day program. Reboot Your Body. It's described as a complete, day-by-day program that restores your mobility. From head to toe, it's an available resource out there. If you want a full system to get you down on the floor with the kids and back up without wincing, just putting that out there for you. Alright, let's keep it moving. Hold no, for regaining your natural balance. This is the single leg balance. We're addressing that scary fear of falling right here, ensuring you keep your independent living top-notch. As you age, step 1. Stand tall. Step 2. Slowly lift one foot just a few inches off the ground. Step 3. Focus your eyes on a spot on the wall, directly in front of you to lock in. Hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. It looks way too easy, right? But here's the crazy truth. Years of wearing highly supportive shoes and walking on perfectly flat surfaces have completely weakened the natural stabilizers in our ankles and feet. If you do this and find yourself wobbling all over the place, don't get frustrated. That wobble is actually giving you super valuable intel. It's telling you exactly which side is weaker and needs more work. Embrace the wobble, man, because it literally means you're fixing the problem. And finally, hold no. 5. Fixing your upper posture. We spend our entire lives hunched over steering wheels and screens, leading to that permanent rounded shoulder look. Well, this is exactly how we fix it. Meet the prone swimmer. You're gonna lie face down on the floor with your arms out in a Y shape. Then you lift your chest, your arms, and your legs off the ground simultaneously. Squeeze those shoulder blades together and hold for 15 to 45 seconds. Now the absolutely most crucial part of this movement. When you lift, make sure you keep your neck in a completely neutral position. Just look straight down at the ground. Don't crank your head back. This hold absolutely torches the weakness in your upper back. Once you start doing this consistently, standing tall, pulling your shoulders back, and carrying yourself with serious confidence is gonna feel totally natural and effortless again. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for, the climax. Your daily 15-minute routine. Jot this down if you need to, because this right here is the golden ticket. You're doing the deep squat for 2 sets, 30 to 60 seconds each, then right into the 90 hip hold for 2 sets per side. Follow that up with the bird dog for 2 rounds, 20 to 30 seconds per side, then the single leg balance for 2 sets per leg. You finish strong with the prone swimmer. ISO for 2 rounds of 15 to 30 seconds. The whole shebang takes about 15 to 20 minutes max. But listen to me carefully, and this is the most crucial takeaway. The magic only happens if you are consistent. Doing this 4 to 5 times a week is the actual key. You're not just slapping a band-aid at your pain with some temporary stretches. You are actively fixing the root causes of your chronic discomfort from head to toe. So I want to leave you with this question. What step will you take today to reclaim your natural mobility, strength, and confidence? You don't have to be a superhero right out of the gate. If you can only hold that deep squat for 10 seconds, that's completely fine. If you need to hang on to a wall for dear life during the single leg balance, hey, that is expected. The absolute goal here is progress, not perfection. Start exactly where you are today. Put in the reps and watch how quickly these small improvements compound. Before you know it, you'll be moving better, feeling incredibly muscular, feeling years younger, and living your life totally unchained. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, Get out there, start your holds, and I'll catch you on the next one.